Hello, this is Charlene Davis, and let me ask you, how many people could you use some extra income before Christmas? I know I can. I know most people that I talk to are just tired of this time when it comes around. It gets to be very, very stressful because you don't have the extra money to spend on Christmas presents and the expenses of dinner. Maybe you have your family coming over for dinner, and that can be very expensive, hundreds of dollars to invite a large group of people over for dinner. So I'm going to show you a way that you can earn some extra income before Christmas. You don't have to put a lot of that stuff on your credit cards. How would it make you feel if you could get through Christmas season without having to put a single penny on your credit card? We are teaching people every single day how to earn money with this program, $25 One Up. It's simple, it's easy. If you can do a few simple tasks every single day, you can earn money with this program. Now, I have tried many different other online programs in the past, all very unsuccessfully, spending tons and tons of money on traffic, and I never got any results. In our group, we're going to teach you how to get results with free traffic using your Facebook page, Instagram, YouTube, or whatever social media that you are comfortable with, whether it be Twitter or Pinterest or some of the other platforms that are available. So first, let me show you $25 One Up. It works, and it's working for a lot of people if you work it and you can follow some simple directions and do a few simple tasks every single day. So this is where all of our members post their results, so other people can see what kind of results that they're getting. So here we have James, $150 yesterday, $825 in the last 7 days. What would that do for your economy? Would that help you pay for some stuff for Christmas? NG here, $500 just yesterday. Manny here is showing $100, $125 on the 22nd. He also got a $500. Now, keep in mind that in order to earn $500 commissions, you need to be positioned at the $500 level. We do have different levels that you can come in and position yourself at. So if you come in at the $25 level, you're going to earn these $25 commissions. If you come in at the next level, which is platinum, you will be able to earn $25 commissions plus $100 commissions. And then there's another $250 level and $500 level. So the higher you position yourself, the higher the commissions that you will make. You have to do an awful lot of sales at $25 to really earn the kind of money that you probably want to make. So at a minimum, you want to position yourself at this platinum membership, which is $135 all in by the time you pay a $10 hosting fee, a $25 gold membership fee, and then the $100 platinum membership fee. Okay, so then you'd be able to earn unlimited $125 commissions, and there's no monthly fee. I've been in a lot of programs where every month it's $40 or $50 just to maintain your membership, and that gets to be expensive, particularly if you're not making any money. So let's see what some other people are doing here. Lots of new people joining the group. Back to Manny here. He had some sales again on the 19th. So he is killing it. Let's see. New member. Here, Andre, $250 commission. Let's see. Jose, $100 commission. This gal, brand new, got her very first income of $25. It's exciting when you make your first commission if you've never made any money online before. You know, you have to start somewhere. You can't expect to start out of the gate and make $1,000 a week. It doesn't work like that. So $25 in your first couple of days gives you something to build on. If you can make $25 online, you can make this kind of money that Manny is making online, but you have to start somewhere. Again, if you can follow a few directions and complete a few easy tasks every single day, you can make commission as well. So NG here again, $25. This gal, $500. See if I can find somebody different. Not everybody posts their stuff in here, so sometimes it looks like it's the same people, but this gal, she had $600 in commissions on the 18th. Let's see if I can find somebody. Okay, so Jennifer, she's been with the company 2 weeks. Here, let's go on the 18th, $25, $25, $25. Look at the dates. It's almost consistently where she's making at least $25 every single day with $100 thrown in. Here a couple of times. So I bet you she is probably positioned at the platinum level, which is $135 all in. So even if you did this and you made $25 a day, 3 to 4 times a week, you know, it's $100 a week. It's $100 more than you had before. So now you start to get a little better at doing what you need to do and becoming a little bit more efficient. You will see that income increase over time. So let's go to my team's proof group. Whoops. My immediate team. Let me see if anybody's posted anything in here today. So this gal is brand new. I mean, brand new in the last couple of days, and she had her first $25 commission. So that's very exciting. A gal here made $700 this week. Let's see, $25 here for Eliza. I don't know if I have any of my posts in here, but here's just a little video of different people on our team earning commissions. So there are a lot of people earning, which is very exciting to see that it's just not 1 or 2 people earning. And we want to, and my team really want to teach you how to do this. And at some point, once you start earning money and we teach you how to make money online, you can take those skills and you can apply those exact same skills to other programs, because earning money with one program is identical to earn money in another program. So again, people making money, get some before Christmas. Don't wait, get started. If you really want to make a change and do something different, this could be the place for you. So please reach out to me below this video. First of all, subscribe to my channel. Ring the little bell so that way when I record a new video, you will get notified. But below will be my link to get more information about the program. You can reach out to me on Facebook, send me a message. You can comment below this video and we can connect and I can get you some more information or get you started right away. So thanks so much for listening. I hope you have a great day and happy holidays to you. Take care.